great pleasure and deep sense of responsibility that I welcome you all to this high-impact professional training workshop on outcome-based education, OBE. The trainer organized by the Council for the Regulation of Engineering in Nigeria, COREN, in collaboration with the Faculty of Engineering, Adewumi University, Oko-Irese. First and foremost, I wish to respectfully acknowledge and appreciate the visionary leadership and unwavering commitments of the founder and chancellor of this university, Engineer Dr. J.P.O. Adewumi, and the co-founder of this great institution. Education through OBE is invaluable, especially at a time when accreditation standards demand continuous improvements and measurable outcomes. I want to acknowledge the hardworking members of the Faculty of Engineering whose commitment to teaching, research, and professional development remain the backbone of our progress. Your willingness to adapt, to learn, and lead in this evolving educational landscape is very inspiring. So I see participants drawn from various institutions across Nigeria, from LAUTECH Ogbomoso, from University of Nigeria in Nsukka, from Federal University of Technology Akure, from Adeleke University, from BOUEST. I say welcome. Your presence here reflects a shared commitment to excellence, capacity building, and the advancement of engineering education.
And everyone who has honored us with their presence, who are participants in this landmark trainers workshop, and then of course the members of the Faculty of Engineering, Adewumi University. You're one of the youngest faculties in this university, but they continue to make impacts. I warmly welcome you. I welcome everyone to Adewumi University, Oko-Irese, a place where engineering is not just taught, but reimagined. Ladies and gentlemen, there is a question that should be solved every serious engineering educator and practitioner in Nigeria today. Are we producing engineers or are we producing certificates? Adewumi University chose from its very founding to answer that question decisively and without apology. We are producing engineers, men and women who can design, build, solve, and lead in a world that will not wait for us to catch up. That's why today's opening is not just a routine event. It is a declaration. The presence of COREN's Engineering Accreditation Committee, in collaboration with our Faculty of Engineering, signals that CAU is ready, willing, and determined to have our engineering programs measured against the highest national and international standards. We want to be found not merely ideas, but exemplary. At CAU, we have built our engineering education on three uncompromising pillars. The first one is outcomes. Outcome-based education is not just a compliance framework to us. It is a living philosophy. Every course, every laboratory session, every capstone project is designed backwards from one fundamental question: what must this graduate be able to do in the real world? Our second pillar is industry integration. And we have our dual certification model that ensures that TAU engineering graduates would not only leave with an academic degree, but with industry recognized professional credentials that make them immediately competitive locally and globally. And our third pillar is innovation. From our AI-enhanced engineering curricula to hands-on fabrication infrastructure built right here in our quaint little village of Oko-Irese, Kwara State. We believe we can provide world-class homegrown solutions. What makes this workshop uniquely powerful is its train-the-trainer design. So every engineer in this auditorium, whether you're from the academia, from government, from the industry, you will leave here not just being better informed, but equipped to multiply this knowledge. We have a tradition here in TAU. If we send you out for a training, conference, workshop, as I speak, our head of department of biological sciences is on the way to India for the global education conference with one of our partners. As soon as they return, they must come back and train every one of us, pass down the lessons and the messages. Everybody will all become, including myself and the members of the management, will all sit down and they become under their tutelage and they become our tutors. So we expect that you will do the same, that you multiply this knowledge that you gain during this workshop. The ripple effect of these 4 days will be felt across departments, that is our hope, agencies and boardrooms, long after we are done. That is the genuine genius of what COREN and the EAC have designed, and TAU is proud to be one of its 4. Full program accreditation is not the destination for us. It is the next milestone. On a journey that began today, this institution decided that students in a community university deserve the same rigor, ambition, and global opportunities as students anywhere on earth. Just a few steps from this auditorium, we have one of Africa's mirror of the Massachusetts Institute of Technology Global Hostel. We have students from all the universities in sub-Saharan African countries accessing the course materials from our campus. And students from TAU through the X series, they earn global certifications from Harvard, MIT, Cornell, Stanford, and all the other universities that make up the EDX platform. Because we believe that a student in the little village of Oko-Irese is equally qualified to earn an X series like a student in Cambridge, Massachusetts. To our resource persons, our professor, our father, our teacher, our mentor, our regulator, challenge us, stretch us, and sharpen us. And to our participants, yes, you are professors, you're senior engineers, you're highly rated professionals. But for the next few days, please come down from your high pedestal and become slaves. Get ready to soak as much as possible from a well of knowledge of our able teacher. Engage with everything. Please leave Oko-Irese transformed. The future of Nigerian engineering is being shaped in rooms like this one. Let us build it well. You are most warmly welcome. Let us begin. Thank you.